Good morning, juniors. Welcome to the 2021 school year. My name is Mr. Bahen. I will be your U.S. American Government and Econ teacher. I'm a graduate of Kappa University. I am married. I have 2 grown children. This is my 34th year of teaching, my 12th year here at Fairfield Union. My expectations for the course. Please make sure you stay on top of your work. No late work, obviously, but if you have a problem, you're sick, or there's a family emergency, please communicate that with me, either in person when you're in class or through email if you are at home or if you are doing virtual learning. This is an unprecedented school year. We need to be very flexible in how we do things, and I will be flexible with you, but please do not take advantage of the situation. I expect work to be done when it is supposed to be done, and as I said earlier, if there's a problem, just please let me know. Respect your classmates and respect yourself. And then you show me that respect, you'll get it back tenfold. I don't anticipate any problems. I've never had any problems in class in 34 years, and I do not expect any problems this year from you fine juniors coming in. We will use Google Classroom for the most part as the landing spot for assignments and everything. When you're in person, it'll be a little bit different, obviously, because you'll be in here in class. But if you're at home that week or if you're a virtual learner, you can definitely get on Google Classroom, and that'll be updated weekly, and that's where you can get most of your assignments. Those of you who are going virtually all year, the VLA or Virtual Learning Academy will be your main source of work. Periodically, I will have things on Google Classroom, even for you virtual learners, that you will have to do and get turned in. Other work will be assigned through Google Classroom, and we will use other sites for class, but will be communicated through the classroom and through Google Classroom as well. Please understand, this is going to be different for everybody. I understand that. We all understand it. Be flexible, be tolerant, be respectful, and we will not have one problem in any way, shape, or form. If there's anything you need from me, please don't hesitate to email me during school hours, Monday through Friday, here at my school email address. I look forward to seeing you all in class. And those of you who are going to be learning virtually, I look forward to hearing from you and getting your work when it will be due. Take care, and we will see you all next week. Thank you.